How to stop sharing your location on an iPhone without the other person being notified. This can be useful if you want to keep your location private while avoiding any awkward conversations. Let's dive in. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Once there, tap Location Services. At the bottom, tap Share My Location. Toggle Share My Location to off. This stops sharing your location with everyone linked through Find My or Messages. And importantly, they won't get a notification. However, they won't be able to see your live location from this point. The second option is that you can use airplane mode temporarily for short breaks. Simply swipe down from the top right corner to access Control Center. Once done, tap the airplane mode icon to enable it. So while airplane mode is on, your phone won't transmit any data, including location. However, this also disables calls, messages, and Wi-Fi unless manually re-enabled. And that's it! If you found this helpful, feel free to like, check out our other privacy tutorials, and subscribe to my channel.